My mother was 80 years old in this picture. She died a year later in 2010. She is still my biggest inspiration, especially in the kitchen. She was a classy lady and did not like to raise her voice. So instead of yelling, "Dinner," she just rang the dinner bell and we knew it was time to eat. I'm carrying on her tradition. Time to eat. So finally, here is the finished product. We've got our oxtails, broccoli, our rice and peas, and our honey cornbread. And look, that is the first one in line. Are you a little hungry?
Yep.
I guess so. So enjoy. And then of course we have my homemade cake or cupcakes that we have. So, all right, Pop, enjoy.
Okay.